Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. In today's video, we're going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume of an audio or video track within the free editing software called Shotcut. Let's go. First of all, let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Shotcut in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Welcome back to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. My name is JEZUS, CAIN, independent artist and creative designer. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show us some love, like the video, make yourself at home, and subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume of an audio or a video track within the free video editing software called Shotcut. All gas, no brakes, we're going in.
How to adjust the volume of an audio or video track within Shotcut is a simple process. We're going to start with the audio. So we're going to go down here. We have Shotcut opened up. We're going to create a audio track. And we're going to import an audio file. Now this is the current volume, as you can tell by the volume meter, of this track. We're going to drag this audio clip onto our audio track. Okay, this is the current volume. Let's say that I want to increase the volume a little bit, so you make sure that your actual clip that you're working with has a red outline around it. We're going to go over here to filters. Add filter, scroll down to gain and volume. Now as this clip is played, 0 is its current volume. If I want to increase it, we just want to go to the right and increase here. That increases it by 5.1 decibels. Let's listen to it now. As you can tell, the volume is noticeably louder. If we want to decrease the volume of the audio track, we just do the opposite. From 0, we go into the negatives. If we wanted to play at negative 5 decibels. Now let's listen to the clip now. Since we're dealing with a video clip, I'm gonna have to create a video track. We're going to drag our video clip onto our video track. And this is the current volume of that video track.
Welcome to Hustle Tech University. If you're a beginning content creator, you're looking for a free video editor.
To me, that's a little low, so we're going to increase the video file volume. Make sure that there's a red box around it to highlight that clip. We're going to go to filters, add a filter, scroll down to gain and volume, and increase it to, let's say, about 0.5. Now let us play the clip over again, and the volume will be increased.
Welcome to Hustle Tech University. If you're a beginning content creator, you're looking for a free video.
And if you want to decrease the volume of the audio track, the video track, it's done the exact same way. You just go into the negatives, and that will decrease the volume. Play the clip. The volume is much lower. and that is how you adjust by either increasing or decreasing the volume of an audio or video file within Shotcut. A very simple process.
If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this Shotcut process or any other Shotcut tutorial that we produce, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.